late what do you call this, late live. Long time no see one. Please check my channel if you're watching. Thank you for watching. Kumusta na lang ang lahat ng mga kababayan ko all over the world? Friends here in the USA, Texas, and in the Philippines. Thank you for 1 viewers. Thank you for 1 viewers. Salamat sa lahat ng nanonood sa aking mga video, guys. Thank you everyone for watching to all my videos, for my short videos, my upload videos, and my live videos. Thank you so much, everyone. So I'm here in the kitchen because I'm charging the phone. So I'm here by the kitchen. So here in this messy kitchen, guys. Thank you for viewers. Who is the late night sleeper there? I know. Good afternoon, Philippines. Good afternoon, Philippines. Good morning, USA here. It's 12:43 a.m. Good morning, USA. Good afternoon, Philippines. Shout out to all my viewers, to all my subscribers. Please click likes, thumbs up, and please comments of where you're watching. Guys, kumusta na ang lahat? Long time no see. So I just wanna say hello to everyone, to all my viewers, my subscribers. Shout out to you all. Shout out to all my fellow bloggers. Teresa Tambon Family Vlog, Nati Shares, Manay Biday, Leticia Noble Vlogs, KBS Vlog, Jasmine Vlogs, Malus Vlogs, Susie's Vlog Canada. Thank you for all, to those who are engaging, to my new subscriber. Welcome and thank you for subscribing. Please comments. Please comments, guys. I know I have my gray hairs. I don't color my hairs, and I have my eye bag because I sleep late sometimes. I sleep a nap in the early evening, and then I wake up. Then I'm ready to engage in my social medias. So thank you, guys. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, everyone. Just gonna be putting this alive. Please comment where you're watching. Thank you for let's see, all my viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments, please comments below. Please subscribe so that you will get your new notification. Daghang salamat sa tanan mga kababayan ko, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko sa buong mundo, wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy lang tayo dito sa YouTube. Kung ano man ang we can share or wherever you are, whatever you're doing to share the world. Shout out to Ali Rodriguez, Rosalie Chansky, family in Minnesota. Shout out to